Alrighty, so we got this problem here, 9 subtract 4 times 3 minus 8 in parentheses. And we have to think about the order of operations PEMDAS on this problem here, which is you start with parentheses, then you do your exponents, then you multiply, then you divide, then you add, then you subtract, right? So that's our order of operations. Now, what this question is trying to get us to do is to make a mistake by going 9 minus 4 is 5. Now, what's wrong if I did that? What if I did that first of all? What would be wrong? What did I do wrong there? Yeah, we started with subtraction. No, you don't want to do that, right? Start with subtraction, you're asking for trouble. So that is incorrect. So better not do that. So that's problem is trying to trip us up there. So we should start with parentheses, shouldn't we? So we see parentheses here. There's 3 minus 8. What can we do with 3 minus 8? Yeah, you can go blam blam and call it 3 plus negative 8. 3 good guys plus 8 bad guys, which makes... Yeah, 5 bad guys, negative 5. Or you could just think of it as subtraction. Like, I have $3, I spend $8. If you have $3, you spend $8, you're in debt by $5, right? So there you go. So we write the whole thing out again. The trick is just take your time, be patient. Don't try to do the whole thing at once. Just do one operation and move on. That's usually, so we went through from left to right and we did all the parentheses. Now, are there any exponents here? No. So no exponents, so that's fine. Do we have a multiplication or a division? Because we've got a multiply or divide from left to right. Have we got a multiplication or a division? Yes. All right. So we got our... Yeah, so you got this thing times this thing. Now, again, should we go 9 minus 4 is 5? No, because that's subtracting. So you don't want to subtract. You got to leave that till the end. So you go parentheses, then exponents, then multiply or divide. So parentheses, exponents, then multiply or divide, then add or subtract from left to right, and then you're done. So we're at this. We've done parentheses. There's no exponents. We're multiplying or dividing, and that's where we come to here. Now, this subtraction, the 9 minus 4, that can be changed just for fun to plus negative. Right. Yeah, exactly. So 9 plus negative 4. Are we going from left to right? Yeah. Yeah, we are. We can't subtract, but we're multiplying or dividing from left to right. And we have this multiplication here, which is negative 4 times negative 5, right? And what does that make? Positive 20, because it's a negative times a negative. Negative times a negative, so it's a positive 20. Yeah. And then just write down the 9, right? 9 plus 20. So our multiplication division is done. Now we're adding the subtracting from left to right. 9 plus 20, which is 29. Yeah. 29. So back to that step here, 9 minus 4 times negative 5. Honestly, you don't even have to do the blam blam. You can just look at that and go, look, I got a negative 4 times a negative 5 plus 20. If you just want to look at that and write that down, that's also fine, I mean, it's helpful to change that to plus negative, but you don't have to. You just go, oh, that's negative 4 times negative 5 plus 20. Because subtract 4, negative 4, it's the same thing, right? Anyway, but maybe it's helpful to just do plus negative just to be sure, right?